What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to screen mirror your Android device to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So first things first, you want to make sure that both your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV and your Android device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So in my case, I'm just going to go to the settings here, go to connection, go to network, and then go to network configuration. Now in this particular case, I'm going to be using my iPhone 13 SAM as my Wi-Fi over here. So make sure that it is connected, enter your password, and once it is connected fully, you can go back to your home page. Now on your Android device, like so, you just have to go to the Wi-Fi section, click on it, and make sure that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi. That is in this particular case iPhone 13 SAM. So make sure it is connected like so, and once it is connected, what you want to do is to go back to your TV. Now go to the input section over here. So this is the search option, this is the input section. You want to click on input and then go to screen sharing, click on it, and make sure that your TV is on this particular page. Now what you now want to do is to come back to your Android device, go to the top menu, and on the widgets options here, that is all of these widgets, you want to look for the cast option or the screen mirroring option. So in some devices it is showed as cast, while in some devices it is showed as screen mirroring. So in my case, if I just swipe here, you can see the cast option over here. So once I click on cast, it automatically starts looking for available devices that my phone can be casted to. Now you can see here that my living room TV is here. That is the living room TV. And once I click on it, it automatically takes some time and it will just cast to my TV. And then here you have my phone on my TV. So this is simply how to cast your Android device to your TV. So from here I can choose to watch any game I want. I can choose to watch YouTube. I can choose to do anything I want on my device. So I can choose to watch YouTube like so. So that is simply how to cast your Android device to your TV. Now to cancel this, you just have to go to the up widget again, scroll to the top and click on that widget again, and then it automatically stops screen mirroring your device to your TV. That is all for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.